Assalamu alaikum. Our fourth lecture is about rock, which is also a question of past paper. The rock cycle. What is rock, and how one form of rock is made up of from another one rock. So this process is called rock cycle. Lesson objectives is accurately what is rock and then how rock is formed, and then the process of rock formation, and then create a model of sedimentary rock, etc. What is rock cycle? So rock cycle is the process by which rock of one kind change into rock of another kind. There are three kinds of rock: igneous rock, metamorphic rock, and sedimentary rock. Each of these rock can change into other by physical process like cooling, weathering, erosion, compacting, and heat pressure melting. These are the process by which one rock can be converted to another one. So the rock cycle process is begin with the molten rock. Molten rock is called magma when it below ground, and lava when it above ground. When the rock come on the surface of the when the lava come on the surface of the earth, so it is molten rock, and which we call magma. So this lava on the above ground cools and hardens, then it forms a igneous rock. This process is called cooling and solidification. Then weathering or erosion break the original rock into smaller pieces. The smaller material is called sediment and is carried away, transported by rivers, wind, and glacier deposit elsewhere. These sediments can be then buried and hardened, called compaction and cementation, forming sedimentary rock. This process is called lithification too. Then sedimentary rock can be deeply buried into exposed and be exposed to heat and pressure. Then it changed to a structure of metamorphic rock. The process is called metamorphism. Then eventually these metamorphic rock may be heated to the point where they can melt into the magma, and the process cycle start again. Then this metamorphic rock again convert to the magma like lava. Then the rock cycle is igneous rock, then sedimentary, and then metamorphic, and then lava. The rock cycle: igneous rock, sedimentary rock, transport, weathering, volcanic activity, then metamorphic rock become towards magma, and then lava. This is the rock cycle: igneous rock, sedimentary shift from metamorphic, and then magma by the process of cooling, melting, erosion. This is rock cycle. So types of rocks are not unchangeable. Rocks undergo changes of form in rock cycle. A metamorphic rock can become igneous rock. Sedimentary rock can become metamorphic one. So rock change very slowly under normal conditions. What are three types of rock? How they change into each other? And igneous rock first are formed when the hot magma, igneous rock repeatedly cooled, and granite and pumice are all common example of igneous rock. Then sedimentary are formed by the layers of sediment, dirt, rock, particles, etc. being mixed and compressed together. Common example of these rock are limestone, and sedimentary rocks often have lots of fossils, and then because plants and animals get buried in the layers of sediment and turn into the stone. Then metamorphic are the combination of rocks type compressed together by high pressure and high heat. So they usually more hard and grainy texture than the other two steps. The rock cycle change over hundred of years in the 5 step. By rock cycle: weathering and erosion, igneous rock, sedimentary, metamorphic rock on the surface of earth are constantly being broken down by wind, water. Large blocks are worn down to small particles, and then particles are broken off rocks, stay in the same area. It's called weathering, and particles are called carried somewhere else. It is called erosion. Then transportation, deposition. Eroded rock particles are carried away by wind, rain, and then mix that current slow down, and the rocks particles sink, become a layer of sediment. Then compaction and cementation: these layer of sediment stake are wetted and pressure compacts, and bottom layer dissolved mineral fills in the small gaps between particles. So after years compaction of cementation, sedimentary rocks sediments turn to sedimentary, and then these sedimentary rocks and how we come towards metamorphism. So these sedimentary rocks and igneous rocks end up buried deep and underground, and then movement of tectonic plate while underground rocks are exposed to high heat. So the lava and due to the plate tectonics, high pressure make it possible that a lava come on the surface of the earth. So tectonic plates are large section of earth crust that move separately from each other. The movement often result in earthquake sometimes. Then rock melting, metamorphic rock to the rock melting is the last one process. That metamorphic rock underground melt to become a magma when volcano erupts and magma flow out on the surface. So this is called lava. As lava cools, it's hard to become igneous rock again. So this was all about rock process, and it is very important question.